Most people apply for remote jobs during the day, when competition is highest. But many don't realize that some of the best paying and lowest competition roles open at night. Companies in different time zones need reliable people working while their daytime teams are offline. If you enjoy quiet hours, fewer distractions, and working independently, night shift remote jobs can be a simple way to boost your income without changing your routine. Here's the part nobody mentions. Companies pay a premium because fewer people want these hours. That's your advantage. Less competition, more opportunity. In the next 11 minutes, we'll break down 10 legit night shift remote jobs hiring now, the exact pay, where to find them, and the one role that can reach $3,000 per month in about 20 hours a week. I've vetted current postings, verified pay ranges, and confirmed active hiring for 2025. Let's start with the staple job that's always open. Job number 1. Overnight customer support. Customer support is one of the most beginner-friendly night shift jobs. Unlike daytime shifts, where message queues spike, overnight support is calmer and more predictable. Most of the work involves chat or email, helping customers manage orders, reset accounts, and troubleshoot simple issues. If you prefer structured tasks and written communication, this job fits well. Pay $16 to $24 per hour, often with a night differential. Amazon, Apple, and Concentrix hire often. You'll want a quiet setup and solid internet. Many roles even offer benefits. Job number 2. Virtual medical scribe. You document doctor-patient conversations in real time. No medical degree needed. Night coverage aligns with ER and urgent care hours. Pay $15 to $22 per hour. Scribe America and Physicist hire remotely. Aim for 60 words per minute. Training is usually 4 to 6 weeks. Job number 3. Content moderation. You review user content for policy compliance. Platforms need 24/7 coverage. Nights are crucial. Pay $15 to $20 per hour. Mod Squad, Appen, and TELUS International hire often. Note, emotional resilience required. Many roles are part-time with flexible schedules. Job number 4. Overnight data entry. Prep databases and forms so morning teams can hit the ground running. Night shifts can pay better. Pay $12 to $18 per hour, up to about $22 for specialized gigs. SigTrack and Axion data appear seasonally. Accuracy matters more than speed. Job number 5. The transcription. Convert audio and video to text on your schedule. You control pace and then you can always rewind. Perfect for quiet night work. Pay around $15 to $30 per hour. General starts lower, legal and medical pay more. Rev, Transcribe Me, and Scribe accept beginners. Target 60 words per minute and sharp listening. Job number 6. Virtual call center. Night queues are calmer, often inbound only. Focused on orders or simple support. Pay $14 to $22 per hour plus potential bonuses. Live Ops, Working Solutions, and T-Tech recruit frequently. Expect paid training 2 to 4 weeks. We're halfway through, and here's a tip most people miss. Don't try to apply for all 10 jobs. Choose 2 or 3 that match your strengths and lifestyle. When you focus your energy, your applications become stronger. Your resume is tailored, your cover letter is targeted, and your chances of getting a response increase dramatically. Job number 7. Night social media manager. Manage communities, schedule posts, and handle comments for brands needing 24/7 coverage with 0 phone calls. Typical pay, $18 to $35 per hour. Build a small portfolio with 2 or 3 clients. Upwork, Fiverr, and FlexJobs list roles. Job number 8. Online ESL Tutor. Your night equals Asia's morning. Perfect timing for lessons. Pay $14 to $25 per hour depending on the platform and your qualifications. VIP Kid, Cambly, and Palfish post frequently. Some require a degree, others don't. Set availability, students book you. Peak times, 6 to 10 p.m. China Standard Time. 8 down. The last two are perfect for minimal stress and strong pay. Don't skip. For best results, pick 2 or 3 roles that align with your skills and your schedule. Focus beats spraying applications. Job number 9, freelance content writer. Write blog posts and copy on your schedule, 0 meetings. Pay can be $20 to $50 per hour or per word. SaaS, finance, and healthcare tend to pay more. Start with 3 to 5 samples and a simple portfolio. Contently, Scripted, and Upwork connect you with clients. Job number 10, virtual assistant support international clients overnight. Email, calendars, light data entry, simple socials. Pay $15 to $30 per hour. Start with 1 client, then scale to 2 or 3 for roughly $3,000 per month over time. Try Belay, Time, etc., or pitch directly on freelance platforms. You now have 10 legit night shift remote jobs you can start applying for today. Choose 2 or 3 that match your strengths and energy levels. Your free Smarter Job Search Guide is linked below to help you tailor your resume and highlight your skills. If you want a full system, the Job Search Success Kit is also available, and I've added Resume.io, JobScan, and Fiverr, 3 tools I trust to help you get hired faster. Quick recap. 10 real options. Lower competition. Realistic pay. Flexible hours. Pick your top 2 or 3 and move today. 3 steps to take step 1. Pick 2 or 3 roles that fit your hours. Step 2, check the requirements. Step 3, apply tonight. Pro move, combine 2 roles in, for example, virtual assistant and transcription to diversify $2,500 to $4,000 per month. I post weekly breakdowns of legit remote work and flexible income. If this helped, like and comment which job you'll try first. Subscribe for more practical, no-fluff guides to flexible income and career change.